One of the most profitable ways to increase your cell phone repair shop's revenue is by scoring a school district contract. It's steady income and good work, but there's not a lot of help online on how to secure a deal with a school for repairs. Well, we're here to change that. Here's how you can get a school district contract for your cell phone repair store. Before we go any further, be sure to hit that like button if you find this video useful and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Now, why should you get a contract in the first place? Well, for one thing, it's a lot less hassle. You'll be getting multiple devices to repair from one client, as opposed to many different ones. This means fewer repair tickets to create, less time spent managing everything, and fewer people involved. Your point of contact is going to be one person, and because they don't own the device, they're not going to be as demanding as regular customers. If there's a problem you can't fix, they won't get mad at you or demand a refund. They'll simply start optioning for replacements, which maybe you could even provide. Of course, we've talked about the steady stream of income you'll receive. Once you sign a contract with a school, you're going to keep getting stable work from them. This means you won't have to worry about meeting your bottom line and will have more time and money to invest in your growing business. And finally, there's the free publicity. Because you're working with a school, you can reach out to other schools or institutions and sign contracts with them more easily. You can use the school's network to get more contracts for yourself, and even secure business from friends and family of the staff there. So what does your business need to secure a school contract? Well, there's strong branding, competitive pricing, the ability to service volume, the ability to service variety, good reviews on online platforms, compliance with regional law, certification for repairs, and technicians for iPads and Chromebooks. With all these in your portfolio, you'll have no trouble getting contracts locked down. At some point in your talks, you're going to have to discuss your pricing. And over here, you'll have to play with a couple of strategies. There are three basic formulas that you can use when discussing rates with your clients: the efficient formula, the complex formula, and the general formula. To read more about them, check out our featured article on the RepairDesk blog in the description. Now, to sweeten the deal with your prospects, here's a couple of tricks that you can use when dealing with them. Try to give yourself more time than actually needed for a repair, and then send them the repaired devices before that time is up. This shows them that you're efficient with your work and you're looking out for them. Offer to pick up and drop the devices so they don't have to deal with the hassle of transportation. Be very clear on the warranty you offer schools. Mention it verbally, in your terms of conditions, and on your invoice too. And lastly, check in with them frequently. There's no harm in staying in touch at least once a month for their needs. Give them the impression that you're looking out for them so they continue working with you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, if you found this video helpful, there's an article we have in the description that goes into more detail. Check it out. Hit that like button to help us out, subscribe to the RepairDesk YouTube channel, and click that bell icon for more content like this. Have a good one.